Hey guys, it's Jennifer Wilson. Welcome back to the Great Stash Bash. In this video, we're going to talk all about using your stamps. Now that you've got them organized, it's time to stamp on more of your scrapbook pages. Let's dive in. I've been able to categorize my layouts into 5 different approaches for using stamps. The first is the most basic. It's just a simple accent on one point on your layout, whether it's a dark or light color, but just a really, really simple pop of stamp that adds a sweet touch. All right, next is the use of stamping to support your journaling. You could use that in a repetitive manner to start your journaling. And finally, you can also use a stamped journal box or journal lines to physically support your words on the page. Next, we have stamped embellishments. Those could be directly on the background. They could also be pieces that you stamp on separate cardstock and then fussy cut and apply those directly to your layout. One of my favorite ways to use stamps is part of my title work. I have several different examples here, some that are stamped directly on the background and some where they're cut out. And of course, this one is my absolute favorite because it makes use of those letter stamps that I have. Now, finally, this probably is the most fun, and this is the use of stamps as a background feature. I love using repeated words or repeated designs as a way to support the rest of my layout. Your challenge is to create a layout using 2 of the 5 stamping techniques mentioned in this video. Before you go, make sure to enter our giveaway for a seat in Refresh. Refresh is our 7-day online scrapbooking retreat designed to help you start fresh in memory keeping each and every season. The next session is coming up in April. To win a seat, simply leave a comment on this video sharing your progress in using up, decluttering, or organizing your stash of scrapbook supplies. You may optionally include a link to a blog post, Instagram post, or YouTube video where you're sharing this progress with others. You must be registered for the Great Stash Bash to be eligible. Please check the description box for the registration link and the deadline to enter the giveaway.